coming.
Anna, check if it's up there first. Is it up there? Do you see any babies?
For real, there's babies in there? There's eggs?
She said eggs, Mom.
I didn't hear. Asshole. Oh my god.
Did you screenshot it, Anna? Are they blue? Or is that Robin? Is that Robin?
Is there two?
You said 2 eggs, Mom.
You're such a jerk face. So now we gotta wait for them to hatch.
Oh, there is.
Let's
2
see.
eggs.
Let's see. God damn it. We're never gonna get that killer bird away.
See, I told you they're in that freaking nest, Mom.
Shut up. Nobody
That's
cares
why
what
we're
you...
gonna attack because they know we're coming. So they
didn't attack us last year. Was touching me.
there wasn't no those type of birds in there.
Yeah, they come back every year.
It wasn't a mourning dove.
Yeah, it was.
Well, let's just replant it somewhere.
You're not... No, they... I've just recorded and I'm putting that on Facebook.